Cardano ADA hangs out in the crypto space with a logical improvement approach, utilizing a three-layer engineering and the energy-productive Ouroboros verification of stake agreement calculation. Its special elements incorporate companion surveyed improvement, a depository framework for decentralized independent direction, and a pledge to interoperability, making Cardano a dependable, eco-accommodating, and comprehensive blockchain stage. Assuming that you're searching for Cardano cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Cardano ADA will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of Cardano ADA and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Cardano outline. Cardano is a conspicuous digital currency and blockchain stage known for its logical way to deal with improvement. Established by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson, Cardano executes a three-layer engineering to upgrade versatility and adaptability. Its extraordinary Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation empowers secure exchanges and approval through marking, offering a more energy-proficient option in contrast to conventional verification of work frameworks. How Cardano functions. 1. Cardano Settlement Layer CSL. The CSL is liable for dealing with ADA exchanges and works on the Ouroboros agreement calculation. This layer guarantees secure and productive shared exchanges inside the ADA organization. 2. Cardano Calculation Layer CCL. The CCL is intended to oblige shrewd agreements and decentralized applications dApps. Cardano expects to give a solid and versatile climate for designers to make creative arrangements on its blockchain. 3. Cardano Control Layer. The control layer oversees the convention's development through decentralized independent direction. ADA executes a depository framework, permitting the local area to propose and decide on convention overhauls. This majority rule approach guarantees an aggregate and comprehensive improvement process. Interesting highlights of Cardano. Peer-inspected improvement. ADA adopts a careful strategy to advancement by exposing its conventions to thorough scholastic investigation. This obligation to peer-assessed research improves the stage's unwavering quality and dependability. Interoperability. ADA means to lay out interoperability with other blockchains, empowering consistent cooperation between various organizations. This emphasis on interoperability advances a more associated and comprehensive blockchain environment. Maintainability and energy proficiency. By using a proof-of-stake agreement instrument, ADA essentially lessens its natural effect contrasted with customary proof-of-work blockchains. This accentuation on maintainability lines up with developing worries about the environmental impression of blockchain advances. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.4054 and ADA is right now positioned #10 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Cardano is 35,755,301,205 with a market cap of $14,495,764,898. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cardano's cost has shown a decent increment of 4.85% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the ADA was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.53%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.4764. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.5313 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.4964. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.7034 in 2025. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.852 with a typical cost of $0.7282 all through 2025. ADA Value Estimate for 2026. Cardano cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.04 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.24 with the typical gauge cost of $1.07. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2027. Cardano cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $1.45 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1.83, with a typical conjecture cost of $1.51. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2.07 in 2028. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2.53, with a typical exchanging cost of $2.15 all through 2028. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $3.07 in 2029. The Cardano cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.70, with a typical cost of $3.15 all through 2029. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2030. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $4.51. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.31, with a typical worth of $4.67. Cardano Value Conjecture 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2031 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least degree of $6.47. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $7.86, with a typical exchanging cost of $6.66. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2032 the cost of Cardano is estimated to be at around a base worth of $9.06. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $11.04, with a typical exchanging worth of $9.39 in USD. Cardano Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $13.18 in 2033. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $16.14, with the typical exchanging cost of $13.65 all through 2033. Cardano Value Gauge 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is significant, however feeling can be whimsical. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Cardano is supposed to reach $251.01, with a typical exchanging worth of $218.80. The base cost is projected to be around $198.87. ADA Value Conjecture for 2050. Inspecting authentic execution gives setting, however it is vital to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes.